What's up, Vivid Racing YouTubers and YouTubettes? It is me, Dan, here at Vivid Racing. I think today is going to be fun because we're going to get a new exhaust system put on the GT3RS, and the first thing we're going to do is see what's in the box. So let's check it out. In the box, first thing, we've got the bypass valves. These bolt directly up to the headers. This is two pieces in here. Now we've got the headers. Look at the pie welds that we have on these. Of course, all of this is designed in jigs, but if you look at that merge and the size diameter of this piping, you can expect this to make some serious power. My heart is devoted to the triple tip. Anything I could put a triple tip on or a bottle opener, I'm game. So what did I do? Tubi has a triple tip. So let's pop this thing open and check it out. So when the valves are closed, it's going to go through either side pipe. When the valve is open, it's going to go through the side, as well as this center, shooting some flames. This thing's going to be loud and it's going to sound amazing, and that's how I want it. These are the side pipes. Basically what this does is this is going to bypass the side mufflers. So this bolts directly up to the headers, and this fits with each side here. Perfect fit. Here's one side of the bank. You can see super thick flanges. Very nice on the ports here of each one, lots of room for flow. And these are actually super light when you compare them to other headers that are on the market with cats. One of those bad boys goes there, and boom, right there we have what's going to be the sickest sounding Porsche GT3RS exhaust system you'll ever hear. Let's get this thing on the dyno so we can see what the before is. We'll get up on the lift and we'll start getting the new exhaust installed. All right, got the GT3RS on the dyno. The reason we want to dyno this is because the Tubi exhaust should actually make a lot of power. The header design is far superior than anything we have seen, as well as the muffler has a large outlet on there. So we should see some really good results. We're going to do the baseline right now, then we'll get that thing installed so we can compare. So let's run this on the dyno. We just did the baseline and we've got some good results to show. Let's keep in mind that this car is running 91 octane fuel. It is July here in Arizona, so it's about 110 degrees Fahrenheit out here. So this thing is definitely sucking hot air. But we have peak horsepower about 365 and about peak torque almost about 270. Of course, they meet there right there at 5250 RPM. Typical drivetrain loss when we run the dyno on all-wheel drive is 20 to 25%. But what's more important than these numbers is when we put the exhaust on, that being the only variable, and we can show what those gains will become. So let's rip the car off the dyno, take it over the lift, and start getting this Tubi exhaust system installed. All right, we got the exhaust all installed here. You can see this fits amazing. Tubi did an excellent job. Headers, high flow cats. We got the Valvetronic pipe so we can switch between loud and quiet mode. And then the ceramic black triple tip system. So everything's on there, bolted up, got the vacuum all connected. Now we're gonna put on the lower tray and fire it up. Just got this thing here. We're gonna strap it down to the dyno. I've only pulled it from there to here, but this thing sounds insane. I can't wait to do it full throttle, big rips here on the dyno to get my ears bleeding. So let's get it strapped down, get to business. dyno graph is up. What do we got here? Solid line is with the full Tubi exhaust system. Dotted line is our previous stock runs. We did expect to get a lot. In fact, when I was talking to Fausto over at Tubi in Italy, he said these headers will add over 30 foot-pounds of torque, and it sure as heck did that. So we've got huge gains from all the way of the mid-range RPM. Big torque gains in the middle, continued with very good horsepower all the way through. We're talking 30-40 horsepower and 30-40 foot-pounds of torque through the entire curve. But this is about sound, so let's take it out there and see how awesome the Tubi exhaust sounds. All right, so here we are driving the GT3RS. Since we've installed the Tubi full exhaust system, this car just rips. The sound of it is nothing but pure perfection, as it completely destroys what a cup car even sounds like. So all we're gonna do is press the PDK Sport and the exhaust button, and it's time to rip. Don't even care. You can hand me a 700 horsepower turbocharged 911 turbo McLaren Ferrari 488. I don't care. You cannot beat this. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed the long-awaited Tubi exhaust video with our Porsche 991 GT3RS. This thing's been an absolute blast to rip around because it is the best sounding car you have ever heard. Make sure you hit those links in the description. Check out what we got with exhaust systems for these and other cars. Get that Vivid Racing merch, and make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe so you can continue on the great videos that we continue to bring out with here at Vivid Racing. Thanks, guys. We'll see you at the next one.